Now, there are some identities which can sometimes make factorization of some special type of polynomials really easy. You've already learned some of these identities, the ones we saw right at the beginning of the session, right? X plus y the whole square. What is it? X square plus 2xy plus y square. How do we visualize it? X plus y and a square, right? So this side is also x plus y, this side is also x plus y, right? If you draw these two lines, you'll get this as x squared, this as xy, and this as xy, this as y squared. So you have 1x squared, 2xy, 1y squared. That's how you get the expression x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now, instead of y, if I have a here, so I'll remove y and put a here. So x plus a into x plus b. Instead of y here, I have b here. It's the same expression, right? When you start visualizing, you realize that x plus y the whole square and x plus a into x plus b is actually one and the same thing. There's no difference, right? Got rid of y, put a here, got rid of y here, put b here. It's the same thing, correct? Now what is this? This region is still x square. This region is still x square. This has become a into x. This has become b into x. And this is ab, right? So it will be x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Or x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That's how you will expand x plus a into x plus b. Same diagram, right? Same diagram, nothing changes. Now if you have x minus y instead, x minus y the whole square, what do we get? You have x square minus 2xy plus y square. You've learned this expression, right? How can you visualize it? X, right? Now you have to subtract y. So let me take some y units behind it. So I'm subtracting y from x. This part I'm left with will be x minus y, right? Similarly, here I'll take this whole thing as x and I'll subtract y units. So this part I'm left with is x minus y. I draw this line and I draw this line, get this square, correct? Question is x minus y the whole square, that is this region alone. This region alone, right? X minus y the whole square. How will I get this region? Take the larger region. What is the large region? X square, right? It's a square of side x. Subtract this one. This is nothing but xy and this is nothing but xy. So subtract xy and xy. Now this square here, this square, which is equal to y square, got subtracted twice, right? You subtracted it once vertically, once horizontally. So we need to add it back once, right? We subtracted it twice, so we'll add it back once. That's how you get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, correct? Now you have x square minus y square, x square minus y square. How can we visualize this? X square, so take a square of side x, this is x square. Now you have to subtract y square. So within that, let me take a square of side y. This is y square. From this large square, I need to subtract this small square. So this shaded region is my x square minus y square, right? X squared minus y square. Now, what can this be equal to? Let me try and cut this. If I cut this and this part, I flip it around and place it like this. See what I get? What is this side? It's nothing but x minus y. The whole thing was x and here it was y. This is x minus y, this is y, this is x. So this side is x plus y. That's how you get x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y.